Feeling the winter blues? What if I told you that the secret to brighter moods and higher energy isn't found in a pill or a gadget? It's sitting right on your windowsill. Imagine transforming the darkest days of winter into a season of calm, joy, and vitality, simply by growing a few healing greens indoors. No expensive tools, no complicated setups, just nature's own medicine, thriving in your home. Welcome to Green Life Zen. Last winter I felt it myself. Low energy, heavy moods, that sluggish feeling that just wouldn't go away. But then, I tried something different. I started growing a few simple greens indoors and I was shocked by the change. My little pots of green weren't just decorations, they became my daily pick-me-up, both for my body and my spirit. And here's the exciting part, you can do it too. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful winter greens you can easily grow at home. Each one is backed by science for boosting your mood and energy, and each carries a spiritual meaning that connects you to something deeper. By the end, you'll know how to turn your home into a sanctuary of wellness this winter. First up is Microgreen Wheatgrass, often called liquid sunshine. Scientifically, wheatgrass is packed with chlorophyll, the green pigment that cleanses and energizes the body. Research shows that chlorophyll helps detoxify the liver, reduce inflammation, and increase oxygen in the blood, which translates into higher energy levels and clearer thinking. Just a 1-ounce shot of wheatgrass juice can deliver an impressive boost of vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like iron and magnesium. But wheatgrass isn't just about the body, it carries a deep symbolic meaning. Spiritually, it represents renewal, cleansing, and fresh beginnings. In many traditions, sprouting seeds are seen as a sign of hope, and having trays of wheatgrass indoors is like keeping a little garden of rebirth alive during the dark of winter. The best part? It's one of the easiest greens to grow indoors. Simply sprinkle organic wheat berries in a shallow tray, keep them moist, and within 7 to 10 days, you'll have lush green blades ready to harvest. Cut them close to the soil and use them fresh. How to use it? Blend wheatgrass into smoothies, add a shot to your morning routine, or even incorporate it into a spiritual cleanse ritual, sipping slowly as you set intentions for clarity and renewal. Kale has earned its spot as a winter supergreen. From a scientific perspective, kale is rich in folate, a B vitamin directly linked to mood regulation, and it works hand in hand with vitamin D, something many of us lack during dark winter months. Folate supports serotonin production, the brain chemical responsible for feelings of happiness and balance. Add in its powerful antioxidants, and kale becomes a natural mood shield against stress and fatigue. On a spiritual level, kale represents resilience and inner strength. Its strong leaves thrive in cooler conditions, reminding us that even in harsh environments, growth and vitality are possible. Growing kale indoors is easier than most people think. Use a medium-sized pot, place it near a cool, sunny window, and water regularly. Baby kale leaves can be harvested in as little as 25-30 days, ensuring a steady supply of fresh greens. How to use it? Add kale to hearty winter soups, blend it into smoothies, or juice it for a daily wellness shot. Every leaf is a reminder that resilience isn't just about surviving winter, it's about thriving in it. Spinach is more than just a salad base, it's a calming, energy-boosting powerhouse. Scientifically, spinach is rich in magnesium, known as the relaxation mineral, which helps ease tension and anxiety. It also contains iron, vital for carrying oxygen throughout the body, fighting off that sluggish, heavy feeling common in winter. Together, magnesium and iron make spinach a natural ally against winter fatigue and stress. Spiritually, spinach embodies nourishment, abundance, and self-care. Its tender green leaves are like little offerings of comfort, reminding you to care for yourself in gentle, sustaining ways. Growing spinach indoors is simple. It's a fast grower that thrives in cooler temperatures, making it perfect for winter windowsills. Sow seeds in wide, shallow containers, keep the soil moist, and within a few weeks you'll have baby leaves ready to harvest. How to use it? Spinach is incredibly versatile. Toss it into fresh salads, brew it lightly into herbal teas, or blend it into green smoothies. Each bite feels like an act of kindness toward yourself. Next is arugula, often called rocket for its peppery kick. Scientifically, arugula is a circulation booster, helping blood flow more efficiently, which supports both physical energy and mental clarity. It's high in vitamin K, which has been linked in studies to improved brain function and mood balance. Just a handful can reignite your energy during the darker months. Spiritually, arugula is associated with fire energy, igniting motivation, courage, and action. Its sharp, spicy taste awakens the senses, reminding us not to let winter dull our spark. Arugula is one of the easiest greens to grow indoors. Scatter seeds in shallow containers, give them light, and you'll see sprouts within just a few days. It grows quickly, so you can harvest tender young leaves weekly for a steady supply. How to use it? Add arugula to fresh salads, blend it into zesty pesto, or top your energy bowls for an instant flavor and mood lift. It's more than just food, it's fuel for your fire. Finally, we have Swiss chard, one of the most colorful and healing winter greens. Scientifically, Swiss chard is packed with antioxidants that protect your cells, along with magnesium, which calms the nervous system. These nutrients help ease stress and anxiety, supporting a calmer, more balanced winter mindset. Spiritually, chard is a rainbow of energy. With its vibrant stems in reds, yellows, and oranges, it connects to the body's chakras, promoting joy, vitality, and emotional healing. Just looking at a pot of chard can lift your spirits. Growing Swiss chard indoors is highly rewarding. Unlike many greens, it tolerates lower light conditions, making it perfect for homes with less sunshine. Plant in a medium pot, keep the soil slightly moist, and harvest the outer leaves as the plant grows, allowing it to keep producing for months. How to use it? Swiss chard shines in stir-fries, adds color and nutrients to soups, or blends beautifully into chakra-balancing smoothies. It's a green that nourishes the body while radiating pure joy into your home. Now that you know the healing greens, let's talk about how to bring them together into your own indoor sanctuary. Think of this as more than just planting. It's about creating a healing space that supports both your body and your spirit all winter long. Start with location. Choose a sunny window that feels good to you, somewhere you naturally enjoy spending time. That spot becomes your wellness corner. Even if sunlight is limited, small grow lights can mimic the sun's energy and keep your greens thriving. Next, think about the containers. Don't just settle for plain pots. Pick ones that bring you joy. Bright colors, handmade ceramics, or even recycled jars can all add positive energy to the space. Remember, the way your garden looks will influence how it makes you feel. To keep your harvest steady, practice succession planting. This simply means sowing new seeds every 2 weeks, so you always have fresh greens coming in. It's like building a rhythm with your plants that mirrors the cycles of life. And here's a beautiful touch. Add rituals to your garden time. Each morning, offer a moment of gratitude as you water your greens. In the evening, sit quietly with them, letting the green life remind you of renewal. If you want to go deeper, you can even align your planting with the moon phases, inviting an extra layer of spiritual connection into your daily practice. Now let's bring these greens to life with simple recipes and rituals you can enjoy every day. These aren't complicated. They're quick, nourishing, and filled with intention. Start your morning with an energizing elixir. Blend wheatgrass, spinach, fresh lemon, and a little ginger. Scientifically, this gives you vitamin C, magnesium, and natural detox support to wake up your body. Spiritually, it's a cleansing ritual, like drinking a fresh start with the sunrise. For an afternoon boost, try a mood-lifting salad. Combine arugula and kale with a sprinkle of healing herbs like parsley or basil. The peppery arugula ignites motivation, while kale's folate nourishes your mood. Eating it is like feeding your inner fire and strength. In the evening, calm your energy with a Swiss chard and chamomile tea blend. Lightly steep chopped chard leaves with chamomile flowers. Magnesium and antioxidants relax the nervous system, while chamomile soothes the mind. Sip slowly as you unwind, letting it become your nightly ritual of peace. And once a week, make time for a harvest meditation. As you cut fresh leaves, pause, breathe deeply, and connect with your plant's energy. Offer gratitude before your meal, acknowledging how these greens are healing both your body and your spirit. After just a few weeks of growing and eating these greens, you'll notice the difference. I remember when I first started, within 3 months my winter felt completely different. My energy was higher, my mood brighter, and my home carried a new kind of peaceful energy. It wasn't just about food, it was about transformation. And it's not just me. Sarah from Colorado shared her story. She struggled with winter depression year after year, but once she began her healing green garden, she said, "It felt like a light came back into my life. The plants gave me something to nurture, and in return, they nurtured me." That's the ripple effect of this practice. When you heal yourself with plants, you lift the energy of your whole home, and everyone in it feels the change. So here's my challenge for you. Don't wait until spring. Start with just one plant this week. Whether it's a tray of wheatgrass, a pot of kale, or a handful of spinach, bring that living green energy into your space and notice how your winter shifts. So now I want to hear from you. Which healing green are you planting first? Share it in the comments below, because your stories inspire this whole community. If you want to dive deeper into the wisdom of healing plants, I've linked our full spiritual and wellness playlist right here on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll never miss a new way to bring more balance and joy into your life. And best of all, these underrated greens don't just survive the cold, they thrive in it with richer flavors and better textures than most summer crops. And one more thing, tag a friend who needs this healing energy. Sometimes a simple seed can change an entire season for someone. Remember, these aren't just plants, they're your partners in healing. Each leaf, each sprout, is a reminder that even in the coldest season, life and renewal are possible. So let your home become a sanctuary of wellness this winter. With every sip of wheatgrass, every forkful of kale, every mindful moment with your plants, you're not just nourishing your body, you're lifting your spirit. Thank you for spending this time with me here at Green Life Zen. Until next time, may your home stay green, your heart stay light, and your winter be filled with peace and vitality. Now click on the playlist on your screen to keep growing your journey with us.